Hello everyone. Today, let's go on a journey to one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth, the largest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls. Nestled in the heart of Venezuela, Angel Falls is not just the tallest waterfall on Earth but also a symbol of the incredible power and beauty of nature. Angel Falls, also known as Salto Angel, stands at a towering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, with an uninterrupted drop of 807 meters, 2,648 feet. Imagine this, it's almost 20 times taller than the famous Niagara Falls. To put it in perspective, if you dropped the Empire State Building into Angel Falls, it would be dwarfed by the height of the waterfall itself. Angel Falls was named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who famously discovered the waterfall in 1933 during a search for a gold ore bed. He was flying over the remote Venezuelan jungle when he spotted the magnificent falls, and his discovery brought the world's attention to this hidden gem. Prior to his discovery, the waterfall had been known to indigenous tribes but was not documented by the outside world. Angel Falls is located in the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Gran Sabana region of Venezuela. This vast, untouched wilderness is home to the towering tepuis or flat-topped mountains and lush rainforests. The waterfall itself is situated on the Oyan Tepui, one of the region's most iconic and breathtaking tepuis. The remoteness of the location makes it a challenge to reach, requiring a combination of air travel, river trips, and trekking to get close to the falls. Why is it so special? The sheer height and uninterrupted flow of Angel Falls set it apart from all other waterfalls. Unlike most waterfalls that cascade down from mountains or cliffs, Angel Falls flows directly off the edge of the Oyan Tepui, which is an ancient, flat-topped mountain. The water free falls for hundreds of meters before hitting the ground, creating a spectacular and surreal scene that feels like something out of a fairy tale. Additionally, the falls are a marvel of nature not only because of their height but also because of the surrounding environment. The falls feed into the Churun River, which winds its way through the Gran Sabana, eventually flowing into the Caroni River. The mist generated by the falls creates a unique microclimate around the area, supporting diverse wildlife and vegetation, including rare species of birds and plants. Ecologically, the Canaima National Park and the surrounding regions are rich in biodiversity, hosting thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which are endemic to the area. The ecosystem around Angel Falls is a delicate balance that relies on the health of the waterfall, the surrounding rivers, and the constant flow of water from the tepui. Sadly, like many of the world's natural wonders, Angel Falls faces threats from deforestation, climate change, and the growing human footprint in the region.